Time, GCSE Maths, looking at the questions that apart from the numbers are the same every time. Learn how to do them, get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. We're looking at the nth term of a linear sequence. Question A, generate the first three terms in this sequence. Okay, so they're giving us the nth term formula. All we have to do is work out what the first three terms are. For the first term, I just have to have n equals 1. In my formula, I put n equals 1. So that gives me 6 minus 3 times 1. So that's 6 minus 3. So my first term is 3. Second term, everywhere I see n in the formula, I'm going to put 2 instead. So 6 minus 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6, that will be 0. So the next term is 0. And the third term, so n equals 3 in my formula. 6 minus 3 times 3. 6 minus 9. Start at 6 on your number line. Count 9 to the left. That takes me down to negative 3. So the first three terms in my sequence with the nth term formula. Remember this, Tn, T with a little n just means the nth term formula. T with a little 1 would mean the first term. T with a little 2 would mean the second term. T with a little 3 would mean the third term. 6 minus 3n, the first three terms, 3, 0, negative 3. Part B of this exam question, worth 1 mark, is the number negative 15 in this sequence. Give a reason. Perhaps the easiest way to do this is to continue the sequence and see if we actually get to the number negative 15. You can see from this sequence we're starting at 3 and we are subtracting 3 each time, So my sequence is going to go 3, 0, negative 3, and then subtracting 3 each time. Think about moving to the left on your number line. Negative 6, negative 9, negative 12, negative 15. So the answer is yes, negative 15 is in this sequence, so yes, and it is which term is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the 7th term. So 15 is in that sequence, and it is the 7th term. I might even write T with a little 7 like that. So there we are. The number negative 15 is in that sequence. There's my reasoning that I've extended the sequence, and I get to negative 15 when I'm on the 7th term. We might see another way to answer that question. Remember in maths, sometimes we have more than one way of approaching the same question. So we might say, is there a term negative 15? So if I put my formula, 6 minus 3n, is there a value of n that will give me negative 15? Remember that n has to be a whole number starting at 1, so n could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So if there is a solution to this equation, with n is a whole number, a non-zero positive whole number, then negative 15 will be in that sequence. So we can try to solve this. So negative 3n is negative 15. Positive 6 at that side can take away 6 from this side. So negative 3n equals negative 21. So that would give me n equals negative 21 divided by negative 3, which is 7. So again, that's another way of looking at it. The 7th term would have a value of negative 15. Well, if that video was useful to you, then please do press the like button. Please also press the subscribe button because that's useful to us. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will be back in the next one.